Alright guys, so my neighbor had an issue with his Ford F-150 this afternoon. We were trying to get the receipt out, and well, basically Ford, I don't know what they were thinking with how they mounted the seat, but anyways, in the video you'll see how we got it loose, and then he's actually going to be purchasing a kit that Built Right makes. The kit basically consists of like a carabiner and a strap that connects to that latch that you guys will see later in the video. So this is what we're looking at. What year is this?
17 XLT
2017 XLT 4x4
Super
cab rear seat removal. This is a joke, guys. You have a clip back here, a tiny little freaking rod holding that thing on. You gotta pull up. And when this thing's closed, you can't get your hand back there. It's freaking a joke, guys. So we made this rod, so we had to get this hook right here, wrap it around this guy, and just yank up on it. But there's just no way to get it in there, so we're gonna actually there's a guy on YouTube that's made a clip for this that we purchased. It snaps onto here, it comes over with a strap, makes it easy for you to get it off.
And the name of the company's Built Right.
Check it out on Built Right, guys. So that's the part that he ordered. It basically bolts onto the latch, and then this piece slides onto the knob that comes off of the latch itself, and then the strap goes up and over the seat. That hole there helps to hold the strap above the seat. So as you can see right there, that red piece is actually attached to the through rod that goes to this latch. So it's like cam system, so when you pull up on it, it rotates the latch. And then you can see that when it's over the seat, this is what it's going to look like. So anyways, check it out on Built Right, guys. I'm not a vendor of Built Right, but I strongly suggest you guys upgrading that seat latch if you guys want to get to anything behind that rear seat. So anyways, thanks guys for watching.